Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Ark Survival Evolved with friends on Xbox. First, launch Ark and select Host Local from the main menu. This allows you to create a private game world. Next, customize your server settings such as experience rates, taming speed, and player count to suit your group's preferences. Make sure your game is fully updated to avoid any compatibility issues with your friends. Once your game world is loaded, open the Xbox guide by pressing the Xbox button on your controller. Navigate to your friends list and find the friends you want to invite. Select their gamer tag and choose Invite to Game. They will receive an invitation to join your session directly. Remember, your friends must also own Ark Survival Evolved to join your game. If you're joining a friend, simply accept their game invitation when it appears on your screen. Alternatively, you can go to their Xbox profile and select Join Game if they are already playing. It's crucial that both you and your friend have the same game version installed to prevent connection errors. This ensures a smooth and enjoyable multiplayer experience. For a more persistent world that's always online, consider setting up a dedicated server. This allows your friends to play even when you're not online, offering greater flexibility. You can rent a server or host one on a separate Xbox console. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy exploring the vast world of Ark with your friends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.